Hi everybody, it's Super Mickey Mac Jr. and today we're playing YouTuber Tycoon. Joining server. Let's see, which one should we go to? Well, since my favorite color is... Wait a minute, what? Guava juice, we're going to. Huh? Oh, I guess we have to go to PewDiePie then. Or... Well, I guess so. Start YouTube Tycoon. Dop Dropper. Oh, we only have 275. Well, let's get some more money. PewDiePie crates. Can you just make a wall? Hey! Get out of my video. Make a door. A door too. I'll buy some pants. Whoops. Huh? Oh. Come on. This is all you can do? What? Reconnect? I guess I'll just reset. Well, guys, I guess that's part of my newest thing. So I guess I'll just have to pause this video for now. Well, this is my last thing. So first gaming. So I'm not really that good. So see you guys later. Bye.